Hi guys, you are on RTSR channel. In this video we are going to speak about YouTube. I'm going to tell you how to make a playlist public on YouTube. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go open YouTube. Then tap on You. Find a playlist you need. Tap on three dots. Select Edit, Visibility, tap here, select Public. Next, tap on Save. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. If I made a mistake somewhere, please write in the comments. Like and subscribe to our channel. Also check out our playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye.